Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's the old guy here again. And today, we're going to do some more work on this DT250 engine. What we got here is we got to pull this off. I don't know, that sprocket's got a few more miles in it. It's still squared off at the top, so I think I'll use it. Maybe I'll leave it in. On this side, we've got to get at the seal behind here. We're going to replace the seals. I don't think there's any more seals on this side. Just that. So we'll have to pull the clutch off. And when we do that, we'll make sure that the clutch discs aren't all stuck together. I don't think they are, but anyway, we'll do that. What else we got to do? We're going to clean this up. We're going to pull the head and the cylinder off because we're going to clean them up and paint them. I am not going to split the cases. I'm just going to clean them up the best I can. Looks like somebody has already split the cases because there's Allen head screws, machine screws in there, and they would normally, I think, would normally be JIS crosshead. So we got a little oil here. I think my vent is busted. There should be a little arm coming out of here. And luckily I just ordered a couple of those. I hope it's the right size. What else? We got a seal behind here. We got a seal behind here. And I'm not sure what that is. That might be the neutral indicator if this has one. We have a busted off piece here. I don't know if I can find that readily and show you or not. It's over here someplace. I think it might be here. This piece, obviously they had a chain break and it busted this right off of there. So it looks like somebody put some epoxy on it, which obviously won't hold it. It needs to be re-welded. And I do not have the skills to re-weld it, so I'm either going to have to take it to somebody and have it done, or just leave it. Because it'll probably get busted off again the next time the chain breaks. So looks like they had some damage there too. We're going to pull the head. We're going to pull the cylinder. We'll check the ring gap to make sure the rings are good. If not, we'll order new ones. Or if the cylinder's scored or something, then we're talking about a whole bunch of money. We'll have to have it bored out. New pistons, new rings. I don't think that's the case. It seems to have plenty of compression when you turn it over. But we're going to start on the other side. This sprocket is still squared off on the top, so I'm not going to replace it yet. The sprocket on the rear of the bike is also not in too bad a shape, so I'm going to leave that. Get a few thousand miles on it, I'll probably replace them both then. So there is a seal behind here though that we have to get at, and that's what we're going to get to. This is the proper wrench for it, 32. Fits like a glove. And let's get with it. Let me get and wipe this oil up here. Get a couple of rags or something. Paper towels. I need to keep a sealable metal bucket out here to throw these rags in. This whole building is about 120 years old or more, and it's of course all wood. It was designed for grain. It's what I call a granary, but there apparently is no such word. There is a word called granary, Granary, but that just doesn't sound right to me. It was used for storing grain, so why don't we call it a granary? So that's exactly what I do. Convention be damned. All right. The tools are out of the way. Let's see what we can do. You know, I should put my glove on because that's going to hurt if I don't. Ow! That is just not moving. And I just hit my hand. I should have put my gloves on. Well, I had to go make a $30 purchase here to get a 32 millimeter socket, 6-point. Let's see if it'll do it. It's the right size. Well, that doesn't seem to want to work. All right, I guess all that's left is heat. Nope. I don't understand. don't even see where that went. Probably way under that cabinet. I don't know. Well, I don't know that there's a solution here, other than take it up to the garage where I've got a big air compressor and a 1/2-inch drive pneumatic impact wrench, which may very well take care of it. I don't know. I've never seen one stuck like that. So, I guess we'll work a little bit on the clutch. Will it? Maybe. Out? Yeah. Alright, I'm going to use this, put all these in. Okay, this should come off now. In there, and then this is the clutch actuator. We'll put that in there. This doesn't appear to have a lock on it. I'm not sure what size it is. Hope I don't have to go to town again and get another $30 socket. That looks a little smaller. I got a 30 up here. I can hope, can't I? Perfect. Not perfect. Well, this thing is totally useless. Those clutch discs look good, actually. We'll measure them, but and we can't get anywhere until we get some of these nuts off. I think that's a 29 or something. I don't know. I don't think that's a... No, that's not right. That ain't that small. Huh. That's a 29. I think I'm going to knock off for the day. Maybe go over to Harbor Freight tomorrow. Maybe I'll pick up a real impact wrench. Doesn't need to be a great one. But it's got to be better than this one. I don't know what this would work on. Apparently not much. Okay. That's it. I'm done for the day. For tuning in. And we'll be back at it, weather permitting. And we'll get this guy apart one way or another. I'm sure that a real impact wrench will knock these guys off. I don't know if these are both the same. This one and this one look about the same. I don't think I got a 29. I'll check it on my way up back to the recliner, because that's where I'm going. I've had enough.